Before we get started, let's all take a deep breath. And if you think I'm not talking to you, I am specifically talking to you. We so often forget that we have two of the most powerful stress management tools with us at all times, our lungs. So do me a favor, take one deep breath, deep inhale, really deep exhale. Now let's get started. I'm Lyons, and I own the Lyons Share Wellness. After graduating from Harvard, getting an MBA, and working in management consulting, I realized my true passion was in helping others prioritize their health. Since then, I've become a health coach, gotten a master's in holistic nutrition, and am now double board certified in nutrition. When companies hire a nutrition speaker, they generally assume that it's going to be boring, my plate, standard diet talk, and that is the opposite of what I offer. A virtual wellness workshop with the Lyons Share is engaging, empowering, and fun. I like to engage the audience as much as possible throughout the whole entire presentation, doing polls, monitoring the chat, offering Q&A sessions, and actually asking them to participate in the moment. It's also empowering. It's not about being perfect. It's not about following some kind of dogmatic nutrition advice. It's about empowering you to take action, and it's fun. I believe that nutrition and health can absolutely be fun, and if it's not fun, we're probably doing it wrong. I've done hundreds of wellness workshops for all kinds of corporations and organizations. I offer 15 keynote presentations, everything from eating for energy to managing stress to the 10 most important pillars of wellness. I'm also happy to work with you and your team to create a custom presentation that's perfect for your audience. I love hearing from participants that they have incorporated more vegetables into their daily diet, that they've started a habit of meditation, or that they actually use their lunch break to get outside for a 10-minute walk. Getting feedback like this is why I enjoy helping employees like yours all over the world prioritize their health. Whatever preconceptions you have about a nutrition speaker, I want to help you change them. I'll deliver a fun, engaging, informative, and actionable presentation so that your employees can walk away healthier and feeling empowered.